What's up guys, it's Grip and Rip here. Just wanted to wish you all a Merry Christmas. Got myself a new bike jacket, Spada, thank you very much. Proper leather. Even bought out the summer gloves to go with it. I'm freezing. What I want to know is, what did you guys get for Christmas? If you got anything motorcycle related, let me know. Even if it's not motorcycle related, what did you get? I want to know, I'm very interested. Leave it down in the comments. Drop a like on today's video. And once again, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Peace. There's always that one dickhead out in shorts, isn't there? It's December, it's 1 degree, it's freezing. And I go out in my shorts, I think. Okay guys, so a little bit of information before I play this clip. I didn't get what he did on camera, I wasn't recording, and I'm gutted, but basically it was a simple pull out. He pulled out on me. I was doing national speed limit road, so the national speed limit, 60 mile an hour. He pulled out on me, and it was one of those situations where you're going to go into the back of him unless you go around him. So I went around him anyway, and as I did, I gave him the finger because, you know, at the end of the day, that's my life, and his stupid actions, they could have ended it, you know. And then the clip starts from when I press record. He catches back up to me and starts tailgating me. There we have a bit of a confrontation. So, and here's one of them now. You're on camera. Fuck off. Look at him. Well close. And now he's tailgating me. Fucking bell end. Fuck off. Look at this fucking smeghead. You are too close. Yeah, I flipped you off. You pulled out on me. That's my fucking life. On the junction at Clifford Chambers, you pulled out on me. So yeah, I fucking flipped you off. Fuck off. Oh, I hate people. People can suck my dick. You were in the wrong lane, weren't you? Us kids and our 125, so yeah, shall we do it? Undo it. Come on. Yeah, I got him. Ah! Get attacked by a straw. Hey, leave me alone. I'll give him a race. Oh, another Ferrari. Yeah, it's a Honda NSX. Nice car. Fucking hell, are people actually disabled today? Come on. Come on, dude, really? It was cool. I mean, I came around that car, filtering past it, and that's nice. Fuck you! Fucking bell end. Skyline, very nice. Oh, that's a dank whip. Fuck you! Really? What way to piss me off, you dick! Fuck you! Okay, that's my fault. I'm actually going to include that in the video. Normally I wouldn't. So I got distracted then by they fucking ran across the road with a kid while I was fucking coming down, probably doing flat out on a 125, which is still a decent speed. Not clever, especially when you've got a kid. Distracted me as well. I didn't see how slow that fucking, whatever that was that I went past was going, and I nearly hit it. Move the fuck back. That is as sharp as shit last corner, and you want to fucking stop with half your car parked out. How to cut someone off. Guy's a loony. The guy hugs him away. What is going on here? Fucking van drivers. He's got no fucking idea. Now, which lane's that, mate? Which... What? I got no words. What lane are you... Now, what are you doing now? Go on, then. Whichever lane you're fucking in. I don't know. Mine one, I'm guessing. Alright. I don't understand what that was. What's all the caravans? God. Oh, no. What are you doing? What's going on? Fucking hell. What a lunatic!